welcome back to my channel. It's Jon'Netta. Today I'm doing a wig tutorial. We're gonna pull the cap down some over my ears and spray it with my Got To Be just around the edges. Blow dryer. Keep in mind, I am no expert at hair or anything that has to do with it. This is beginner old me doing beginner things. Okay, after that we gotta go get the wig because the wig isn't over here. Well, no, we don't. Really don't. We have to cut the cap. Sorry. Excuse my ignorance. Oh my gosh, I did it. And yes, I am surprised. I didn't know I could do this. Oh my gosh, I forgot to pop an ear hole. Ooh. Well, I knew it all wasn't gonna go down because I'm no hair expert of any kind. Okay. Like I said, I forgot to cut the holes for the ears. I'm so scared. Okay, we're gonna go back in with some more glue because, like I just said, I don't know what I'm doing. Bear with me in my journey. Okay. Alright, I would say this side's pretty glued down or whatever. Oh my gosh. Okay, alright. I got the ear hole. Nice. Nice. Okay, on one side. Oh, there it is. There it is, guys. Oh my gosh. To me, this looks good because I've seen people. I got it in my ear. Anyway, I've seen people literally look like this while doing their wigs, so I feel like I'm doing all right. All right. Windows open so my dog can hear me. I literally need to hold this down. Making sure I didn't cut any hair off because yeah, that would be kind of the worst. Nope, shouldn't have done that. It's okay. I got spray. I'm gonna hold this. Remember, this is us learning together. Alright. So I'm about to soak this motherfucker with Got To Be and hold down this whole thing. Okay, I am over this, so I'm gonna just let my wig do the rest of the laying down because I'm tired of it. Alright. Hold on. I ain't cut this all the way. Oh gosh. Okay, it's good now. But look at that. Y'all just wait on this magic. Alright, so what I'm about to do now is just take this razor because it makes it so much flatter. And I always used to be scared when people was doing this, like, oh my gosh, they're gonna chip their skin, but I see what they was doing. I can see the wig helped, so no. And they kept it at a certain angle, so like they wouldn't get in their skin. Like, look how close she cutting for a flat wig. And look at what I'm doing. The same dang thing. The same. This ain't cutting. Period. Okay. So when it comes down to this part, I be seeing people use alcohol, and like I be seeing people like take a cotton pad and some alcohol and put some on and flatten it. Let's just get in. Cotton stuff. Clean it up and stuff. Which makes for clean, you know. Okay, so did that, and then I see it makes it lift. I forgot about that. And I'm gonna just take some spray and, you know, take something, rub it down with. That's looking good. More makeup. What I want to do is clip this back. Obviously, I don't want that in the way. I'm gonna just take all the hair and just throw it in the bun. Flip it back. Like so. And we're gonna apply the glue. Start to lay the wig on top of this glue. Oh wow, it's not at all what I wanted to do. Alright, so since I'm impatient, I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna lay the wig down. I'm gonna pull the lace and stretch it, stretch it, stretch it, stretch it. I need a comb. I don't have a comb. Tweezer. We're gonna use it. Okay. We're gonna pull. Wait, no, we're not. Oh my gosh. I done fucking pull my shit up too far. It's okay, it's okay. We're in there now. We're in there, and we're gonna wrap it up, and then we're gonna come back to it. We can't even wrap it up. I can't even. Yeah. So. Okay. So see you in the next video.